my name is Ibrahim Quadri. I'm a student at NetSoft. I'm really glad that I am. About a year and a half ago, I joined NetSoft. I previously didn't have any IT background, and over the course of years, I learned a lot, got to do a lot of things, and it was quite an experience. I encourage you to give it a shot yourself if you're looking to build a professional career in IT. End of your track, there will be a course called Hire Me, and this is a game changer. I have given 4 interviews and I have won every single one of them. And by the end of the week, I have to get back to them and let them know which one I'm going to pursue, which opportunity. The beauty of Hire Me is that they teach you, show you, guide you step by step exactly what you need to do to enhance your chances of winning the job interview. And to the point where they will at every moment in time, you will never felt you're all by yourself. From your resume to a cover letter to a thank you letter, how you should dress, how you should talk, how you should groom, every bit of the way. A friend of mine who did MBA and his fellow taking this course, and he said that's exactly what he was, one of his courses in his training, provide this kind of training. I highly encourage you, if you're really serious, give it a shot. Staff here will be more than happy to provide you any information needed. This will change your life for good, and you'll be in the right hands, and that's all I have to say.